Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the new colors that Tesla has, and they discontinued the old midnight silver. Alright, and also there's a little bit of a price increase for the Model Y. So first off, as you can see right here, thanks to Story Merit, he posted this pictures right here. I'm going to click on it so you guys can see. So this is the new color right here. It is the stealth gray, and it is free as well, and this is the old color. Alright, so looks like the bottom one, like the midnight silver, is kind of like lighter, and the other one is more darker. Okay, so I'm going to take you to the actual website of Tesla so you guys can see. So this is the white, this is the black, solid black, and this is the new one that they have, the stealth gray. So let's see, do you guys like this color better or the old one better? I don't know. For me, I like this color, the ultra red. Alright, so from the last video I told you guys that the Tesla increased $5,000 on the Plaid model, so which makes the difference between the regular Model X and the Plaid is about $15,000. So if you guys, for those who bought the Model X Plaid with only $10,000 difference, that was a good one. That was really nice. Alright, so and let's move on to the price increase for the Model Y long range. Okay, so the price for the rear wheel drive still stays the same, for the $399, and for the long range it increased $500, bringing it up to $48,990. Okay, and this is the multi-red color, which is the one that I bought. And if you go over here, midnight silver, you know, I guess they saved that color for the higher trim, and eventually maybe Model Y and Model 3 will get the stealth gray, but for now they're gonna have to stick with the midnight silver. And again, it's included, and the white now costs $1,000 like before. Same thing, the red, multi-red, this is $2,000. I'm surprised. But other than that, you know, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.